Hi, welcome to Tempty Foods. My name is Anna, I'm a co-founder and product developer. Today we will cover basics of cooking with Tempty. Welcome to our next video. Now we are doing deep frying. So here I have a mixture of cornstarch, salt and water, and here some panko. I'm gonna just dip Tempty into cornstarch and then transfer it into panko. And I'm gonna pop it in using this one. So now that our Tempty is in, we will wait for around 2-3 minutes and then we will take it out. Ta-da! Very crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Very nice.